All right, we got ourselves a fifth wheel here. It's an XLR. Oh, this is a
XLR
toy hauler,
Boost.
isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
It is a toy hauler.
All right. So fifth wheel toy hauler. Told you they were coming up. We've got at least one slide on this thing.
No, we're actually going to have several slides on this thing.
Okay.
I believe there's
bunch
one
on
here
on this side.
the kitchen, and then maybe, I believe there's one in the bedroom as well. We'll find
cool.
out in a
We'll find out. It's got the little party deck on the back. We had that set up.
Yep.
And ready to go. I'm trying to stall as long as possible because there's heat blowing right down here. It's bouncing off of this slide right in my face.
Good.
It feels. Put your hands on. Oh, that'll warm your hands up.
Is it warmer? It is a little warmer. There you go.
Yeah. Sorry, it's not what you tuned in for, so we'll keep going. It's a door in the back here into the garage, and then your door up here.
Yep.
Storage like we come to expect. Big old awning.
Yeah, and your awning, you're actually going to have two. You'll have one in the front and one in the back.
Okay.
So that way you're going to have plenty of awning space, and you don't have to worry about the slide right here taking up any of your awning space as well.
Love it.
You are going to have outdoor Bluetooth speakers, of course, the cool accent blue lights there. And as always, guys, our Buckeye service guarantee. Free loaner if you're in the state of Ohio. It'll help you out.
Yep. All right, so we get inside.
Yep.
You ready? Go for it. All right, so check out the living space first. Enter the kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah, lots of counter space.
A lot of counter space. So it's nice because not only by adding this do you have extended countertops, but it also separates the kitchen a little bit from the entertainment area.
Yeah.
Of course, again, the nice big fridge and freezer. Plenty of space in there.
You got your microwave right above the stove, right above the oven.
And then lots of storage on this side. I'll move out of the way here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers and 3 cabinets back here just in between the island and the stove.
Right, and then you have another full-on pantry right here.
So then back where Tim is right now, we've got, he's showing you the loft, a little bit of a loft up there.
And storage area, yep.
He's actually standing in like the living area, so you got your Thomas Paine furniture right across from where you keep your TV.
Yep. And there's enough room for a good, decent-sized TV, and of course, more storage up here in the cabinets for movies, games, whatever it is you guys want to do. I personally wouldn't be playing games if I'm camping.
Right. That's right. Fireplace, more storage there.
Yep.
I see the ladder there that would hook on here.
Right.
So you can get up into either the storage space or is there a mattress up there, Tim? Do you see a mattress? Don't think there's a mattress.
I don't think so.
Maybe not.
You can put one up there, but no, there's not a mattress up there currently.
Cool. Let's go back to the bedroom first, and then we'll wrap up with the garage. We'll hit the bedroom first, and then as we leave, we'll hit the bathroom. Those doors keep out any heat if you need to for some reason because it's freezing in here.
Big temperature change.
Sheesh.
Okay, so 3 slides total, like I was saying. 2 out there in the living and kitchen area, and then this right here, your closet / where you'd put a TV or whatever. This is all on a slide as well.
Yeah. Actually, it looks like the TV goes right there. I think this is where your wife puts all her stuff.
All her stuff.
Yeah.
She takes up the entire camper. I mean.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, let's be honest. So yeah, nice. There's storage, plenty of places to hang clothes. You got storage above, a couple shelves on that side.
Yep.
Next to the USB and probably storage underneath.
Should have some storage up underneath as well.
There you go. Lots of storage under there. Great. All right. Tim, there's a door on your side. We'll meet you in there.
This will have to be shut. There we go.
There you go. Your little corner shower.
Yep. It slides right open. Yep. You got two-way access to the bathroom from the bedroom and from the hallway.
Yep.
Toilet there, and then I'll close this a little bit and get a.
There's your sink, or that's your shower you're looking at now, and then the sink with the. And you see Tim. Look at Tim. Tim, the director, actually working the camera this time. Love it.
Gets a little bit of the spotlight.
That's right. Yeah, thanks for opening that door. He was spending way too long on that mirror. He really likes seeing himself. So, what's it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We do have a question. Okay, yes. We got somebody asking. What is that? Trying to come up with a question. I think they're messing with me. Okay. All right. Can this be swapped out for a dinette or a table, or is it always going to be
not
couch?
in here? So this will be just the couch that goes straight across.
Okay. Thank you, John, for that question. Sorry it took so long for them to get it to me. So this is going to stay
right.
This.
Yep.
Of course, if I've seen people really change things around in their RV once they get it. Not long ago, actually, at the end of last year, I went to a friend. They have a park model. Went to his place. It's a newer friend, and went to hang out one night. And their park model, when I walked inside, you wouldn't know it was
a park model.
Yeah, it was amazing. Like it really looked like a home because they had done so much stuff once they. I don't even think it's like once they got it. I think that over the years they had added stuff and changed
collected
stuff.
Decorated, made it their own little home. And that's what it is supposed to be, just a home away from home, something you can make yours.
Yeah, love it. All right, so let's go back to the garage here. With your second half bath, you get a little sink.
You have a half bath there and washer dryer hookup in this one as well.
Very important. If you're going to have a toilet, you got to have a sink in there. Wash your hands when you're done, people. That's nasty.
Yes, it is.
So you got 9 tie downs back here?
Yes, 9 tie downs all the way up into it. Yep. And I believe, 37TSX13, is that correct?
That sounds right.
Yep.
Yeah.
So 13-foot garage in this one. Plenty of room to get your toys up into here.
Yeah. And then your manual bed on the struts.
You're sitting on the ducktail, so it's making it a little harder.
a little harder to get to. Pull down this side, then pull down this side, and you got your queen bed. Look how easy that was.
There
I'm
you
a
go.
wimp, and I can do that. I have no muscle density at all. I don't even know if muscle density is the right word. That's how far I am away from having muscles.
And then these right here, these will fold down as well. So these can be used really as a bed, or this is your table, guys. So if you... Well, here's down in the bed position. And then as far as having your table, this will just sit up. Your table can sit right here. This side will do the same thing. That way you can eat and chill with family.
Sweet. You got some lighting out here, some LED lights so that you can have your little party out here at night on the party deck.
Yep, absolutely. And I mean, this is...
Yeah.
It can support a lot of weight. You don't have to worry about it breaking and falling or anything like that. It's good for having a good time.
And I haven't bounced on one yet, but I kind of like that.
There
It's
you
an
go.
added bonus.
Yep.
Tim, hold the camera steady.
Come on, let's go.
Actually, it looks like he's got a gimbal, so no matter what we do, that's going to stay pretty steady.
Just, yep.
Yeah. All right.
The nice part that they did start doing with the railings here, they started closing the gaps on these. They usually have something that ties in here, or like this one's just automatically in it. Don't have to worry about dogs or something like that jumping off or running
That's
off.
smart.
Yep.
Looking at issues. Well, there's one over there, an XLR over there that looks like. Oh no, it has it too. It's got.
Yep, it's just not tied right up on it
I
yet.
see. Okay. Yeah. So there you go. If you need an XLR, this is one you could be in. I know every time we end one of these walkthroughs, I tell you, if you can imagine yourself in here, but that's what it's all about. You're watching today to picture yourself in one of these RVs. Absolutely. And if you've done that at all today, these guys want to talk to you. Give them a call. It's not high pressure. They want to help you, want to answer your questions. If it's time for you to buy an RV, you'll be in one today.